One peaceful morning, Luma and Ollie sat in her cozy room. It's such a beautiful day. It feels magical already.
Suddenly, a glowing message appeared. Oh, what's this? A letter, let's see what it says. Dear Luma, we need your help.
That doesn't sound good.
It's from Fairchild. Dear Luma, we need your help.
That doesn't sound good.
It's from Fairchild.
We have to go. Right now. I'm with you. Let's go.
So Luma and Ollie flew far away.
Hold on, Ollie. I'm right behind you.
Luma looked down at the river.
Oh no, the river stopped. We're stuck. The water is not moving. I wonder what is wrong. I'll help you. Magic of kindness. Let the river flow again.
We're free! Thank you!
It's flowing again. That's better.
You did it again.
We're free! Thank you! It's flowing again. That's better. You did it again.
The glow bugs have lost their glow, and the forest grew dark.
We're lost. We can see! Keep going! We're home! You made it!
Well done, Luma!
At last, Luma and Ollie reached Fairchild's village.
Luma, we need your help. What happened here? Rascal Fairies has taken over our village.
They won't stop laughing and giggling. And they take all our magic too. I will help you.
Luma took a deep breath and said firmly, "Wait, stop, listen." The rascal fairies stopped midair to listen to Luma.
What you are doing is wrong.
Caring and sharing is a better way. Let's practice some sharing and caring.
Please, Luma, show us how to be kind.
Yes, please teach us.
Let's change these signs to kindness signs. Wow, thank you, Luma. See? Kindness feels wonderful.
Welcome to Fairchild's village, where kindness lights the way. Here, we are kind, we help others, and we shine together. Every act of kindness makes our village glow brighter. Shine together with us.